Happy Wednesday, everyone. And today is dye hair day. I think I've waited too long, and look at this hot mess of my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair. I am first gonna make a disclaimer that I know it's a lot of professionals out there, and the way I'm dyeing my hair is probably not the way I should, but this is the way I do it. So without further ado, I told my husband to pick my hair color. I gave him 4 choices, sorry, because they're still doing construction on my road, so you're going to hear a lot of that. But I gave him 4 colors to choose from, and this is what he chose. So I really love L'Oreal Feria hair color, so this is the one that he chose. I don't know how it's going to look, but it's deeply brown. And if it doesn't work, I think I'm just going to go back to my deep violet, because I really like the deep violet. But yeah, I am going to use this. And I bought 2 boxes just in case, but I don't know why I always buy 2 boxes. But I'm going to first start off with one. So let's get into how I actually dye my hair at home. Okay, so first thing I do, oh, towel, sorry. So I have certain towels in my house that I really don't care if they get messed up, and this is one of them. It's like a beach towel. Autumn got it actually from Build-A-Bear when she was 4. She got her first Build-A-Bear, and that's where she got this towel from. And I have on this shirt that I really don't care about. So yeah, let's set everything out. So we have the Shimmering Conditioner Developer, that's number 2. Then we have number 4, which is the Power Shimmer Conditioner. And of course the instructions in the gloves are in here along with something else. This looks new. This is Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. I don't know if that's like a sample or if it's part of the kit, but we're gonna find out. And then of course, just throw it on the floor, I'll pick it up later. We have number 3 was the Aromatic Shimmer, number 3. And then number 1 is Shimmer Conditioner Color Gel. So I'm assuming number 1 goes into number 2. So yeah, let's open it up. Yay, we have black gloves this time. So I have the instructions, but I've colored my hair before, so technically I really don't need them, but I'm going to use them anyway. So I have my hair clippies and things that I normally use when, you know, it's time to put my hair up. So normally I would do it in 4s, but it's okay to just do 2 pieces. But I always put one side up first anyway, and then this side will go up, because I like to do my edges first. But I know I'm doing a lot of talking, but the last video I did, people were complaining that I didn't do a lot of show and tell, basically. So that's what I'm doing now. So you just have to do with me talking. I can't say that I'm going to do the whole process, but if you've colored your hair before, you pretty much know how it's done. I'm just going to start off with the base of how I do it, and then show you how I go through, and then I'll color the rest on my own, and then when it's time to set, I'll just show you what my head looks like. Okay, so actually I think I am going to go ahead and mix my other box. Can't get it off. Oh, there we go. I'm going to mix my other box while I'm doing this one, because I'm thinking I may need it, because I want to make sure the color actually takes, you know, I get the desired color I'm looking for. Did I tell you what the color was? If I didn't, it's L'Oreal Feria number 40 is deeply brown. So yeah, and on top of all of that, the good part is it's going to cover my gray that keeps trying to peek out that I don't want to show. So yeah. Okay. There we go. On the floor you go. Alright. Let's do this. Those of you who don't know, you mix 1 into 2. So you pour number 1 into the number 2 bottle, like so. I probably should be wearing a mask because I know this is going to get to me, but I'm good. So I'm going to put the top back on this because I am super obsessive compulsive. And right now it's just it's not going to bother me because I'm not going to look down there, so it won't bother my anxiety. So I'm going to shake them both together. If you're wondering why I just set that down, and I got to do this fast because you're supposed to be quick with it. So I don't know if this is like tutorial or whatever. I don't know if you all need this to be tutorial-esque, but I'm just doing it. I've watched a few at-home color videos before, and they go through the whole process, but I've just never really done a home color tutorial type video before. So what I like to do is start around my edges. I don't know why, but I just the way I like to do it. So I'm gonna take my pins out. Now, God, my mirror is so, I hate this mirror. Okay. And I normally put like grease or like Vaseline around my ears, but whatever. I don't care. I don't care today. I don't care. So this is what I normally do. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. I just like to put it around the edges first. And then I go through the other process. Like I said, I'm not a professional, never claimed to be a professional. There may be some of you out there that may be looking at this video like, oh my God, what is she doing? But hey, this is how I do it, this is how it gets done. And then I'll worry about all the rest of that later. Well, let's get busy with the main part. So I'm gonna start on this side. And they tell you to do it kind of differently in the manual thing, but I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna take my thingies and just kind of do that with it. So this is the part that I'm going to show you. I'm going to do this like 2 times so you know exactly what you're doing, and then I'm going to get into this really quickly so I can finish it up. But you just kind of go through, they tell you to go from the root of your hair all the way down. And I normally don't really worry about the bottom of my hair until later on. But yeah, or sometimes I start from the back and then come up. It's kind of easier for me that way. And then I just take it and, you know, kind of rub it in. So I'll show you again. Stuck. You know what? I'm gonna use my clip instead. And it all rinses out. Just get some Dawn. The Dawn will rinse out of your hair clips or whatever you're using. Now, as far as the shirt may get ruined. But like I said, this is a shirt I don't care about. I actually just kept it in my drawer for whatever purpose, but I really didn't want it. So yeah. So make sure you get it all in there. And because, you know, I wear my hair parted and then down mostly here, I want most of my color to be on what would be called like the inside of my hair. But I always, for some reason, it's always on the outer side of my hair that gets mostly colored. So yeah. So then, after that, you can use alcohol or baby oil to get it off your face if it gets on your face. So this is how I normally get the bottom of my hair. I just do it in my hands and then I just put it on the bottoms and run it down. So I don't put as much on the bottom of my hair just yet. I kind of save that for the later process. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this because it's starting, the fumes are starting to get to me and they're making a lot of noise. And then I'll just kind of show you how I kind of work it in and then let it sit for the 25 minutes. Okay, y'all, so it's all done, and I actually only had to use one bottle, so it's in there, and I am about to saturate just a little bit more of my hair all in there. But what I like to do with the rest of the bottle is just kind of pour it in my glove. I'm just going to go through my hair, like the ends of it, because I think it's pretty much saturated from the root, but I like to massage it. I think they say you're supposed to massage it in anyway. So I just kind of do like this, make sure it's all in there. I see some spots that are not all that saturated, so then I just take it and go like this. And like I said, this is my way. It's not the professional way. It's probably not the proper way, but it's the way I do it. So yeah, and then I just kind of go to the ends, all the way to the ends, and kind of do like this. And I always, I don't know, it's just something that I started. I always do the ends of my hair last. So as you can see, it looks pretty saturated in there. I'm just going to check all over, and it is. So I'm just going to massage a little bit more, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 25 minutes. So what I normally do is put a shower cap on after I'm ready to let it sit, and then just set the timer on my phone, rinse it out and all that. So we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Y'all, I messed up. I forgot to put number 3 into the bottle. It is the aromatic shimmer. I don't know what difference it will make, considering I forgot to use that. Yeah, this is going to make me wonder, is it just shimmer, or like, is it really a necessity? The jury's still out. So I just combed it out, and I have the leave-in conditioner. It gives you a conditioner to use and rinse out, but I love using leave-in conditioner in my hair, so I put some leave-in, and I have, ironically, some L'Oreal products downstairs from when I was couponing. So yeah, that'll work very well on my colors, since I use the L'Oreal hair color. Now I don't know if you can see it, but I can't really see it unless I'm like in the light, and I could see some of the brown, but hopefully it'll show up more when I blow dry it and flat iron it. But I'm wondering if me forgetting to put number 3 into the number 2 bottle will affect the color of my hair, or will I be okay? But I can kind of see it, but not really, so I'm just going to blow dry it, and then we'll see what happens after I straighten it. I have this brush that I normally use. It is my Tresemme brush, and I just kind of go through it. It's a hot day. This is like the wrong day for me to do my hair, but yeah. Guys, this is it before the flat ironing, but it's kind of straight. You know, if I was into like the big hair thing, I could just leave it like this, but I'm not. And yeah, I mean, you could see it a great deal, but I don't know, you know, my hair was like pretty black with the deep violet I had before, so I mean, it took okay, I guess, but you'll probably see it more when I straighten it. Now I could like do like some amazing curl job to my hair or whatever, but the easiest thing for me with so many kids and doing, you know, Indian stick all the time, the best thing for me to do is straighten it and wrap it. You know, I can just do heat one time. So for those of you who've been with me since whenever, you know, the one I had before was the pink one. That was the one that their first model, I think. God, this construction is driving me insane. Anyway, it broke because I dropped it and I tried to fix it, but then it wouldn't fix anymore and I burnt my hand almost. But this is the InStyler Wet Dry. From the moment I actually decided to buy the InStyler and use it, that was the last time I actually used a perm in my hair. Ever since I started using the InStyler, I haven't permed my hair and I haven't had that chemical in my hair since 2011. So I absolutely love this thing, and it has different settings. It has 4 different settings: low, like medium, a little higher than medium, and then like super high. And I think the super high is like 400, 450 or something like that. But normally, depending on how straight I want my hair, depends on which level I use. So once I'm done with all this, we'll see how the color really looks with my straightened hair and see if I really like it. But this is the color my husband chose. Again, it was L'Oreal Feria number 40 Deep Brown, if you guys are interested in this color. Okay, so here it is. I have straightened my hair. I put some coconut milk, like a dab of coconut milk through my hair, and you can see it really at the top. I don't know how I feel about it right now, but this is the color. I'm gonna try to get this up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Hopefully that's not too bright, but yeah, that's the color. So again, it's L'Oreal Feria number 40 Deep Brown if you're interested in this color. I did burn my neck when I straightened my hair, but yeah, so this is it. So that's the video for today, guys. I've been waiting so long to dye my hair, and now that I dyed it, I'm not sure if I like it. But yeah, I wanted to really go extreme, but then Greg's like, no, don't do all that. So yeah, this is it. And I'm probably gonna wrap it so it can get a little flatter. But yeah, well, that's the color, guys. See you next time.